In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable two-factor authenticator in TradingView. Strengthening the security of your trading account is really important, and turning on two-factor authentication, or 2FA, is one of the easiest and most effective ways to do that. I'll walk you through each click slowly so you can follow along on your own screen. Start by opening TradingView in your browser and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're on the main chart or homepage, look toward the upper left area of the screen. You'll see your profile icon there. It may show your avatar, initials, or a generic user icon. Go ahead and click on that profile icon to open your account menu. When the menu appears, you'll see your username displayed. Click directly on your username. This will take you out of the chart view and into your personal account area, where you can manage settings related to your profile and subscription. On this account page, look for the option labeled Settings and Billing. This is where TradingView keeps most of your account level controls. Click on Settings and Billing to open the detailed settings panel. Inside the settings area, you'll see several sections or tabs. What you're looking for is Account Settings. This is usually where TradingView keeps options related to login, security, and personal information. Click on Account Settings to move into that part of the menu. Once you're in Account Settings, scroll or look around for the section called Two-Factor Authenticator, or Two-Factor Authentication. This section controls whether your account requires a second verification step when you log in, usually through an app like Google Authenticator, Authy, or a similar tool. Take a moment here to make sure you have an Authenticator app installed on your phone, because you'll need it to scan a QR code or enter a code they provide. When you've located the two-factor authenticator option, you'll see a toggle or switch next to it. To enable two-factor authentication, simply click or tap that toggle to turn it on. TradingView will then guide you through the remaining prompts on screen, such as scanning a QR code and confirming a code from your Authenticator app. Follow those prompts carefully, and once you're done, your TradingView account will have an extra layer of protection every time you sign in